So I'm doing this unboxing, and this is a package from Dermalogica, and I'll show you guys what I got. So this is what's in it. So I won this, and I'm so excited because I have tried this moisturiser myself and it's amazing. This is so good, honestly. It is amazing. It hydrates your skin so much. See, it's this one here. It's called Active Moist, and it is perfect if you have kind of normal to combination skin. It doesn't break you out. And I've tried so many moisturisers and they've just broken me out and my skin looks horrible, but this, it makes your skin look absolutely flawless. Honestly, give it a go. And I'll see what this one looks like, because I can't remember whether I've tried this one before. But it is a clay cleanser, and clay is so good for your skin. I love this packaging. It looks so good. Can't wait to try that. And I also just recently purchased this Phyto Replenish oil by Dermalogica. This one is so good. It's really helped with the congestion on my skin and really hydrates your skin as well. So if you struggle with your makeup looking cakey and it kind of sits on top of your skin, it's probably because your skin isn't hydrated enough. So definitely try this oil here, because honestly it's worked wonders on my skin and my beauty therapist recommended it to me and it definitely works. So yeah, it's such a luxurious bottle. Now I've got also a Tarte package which I'm going to open. Oh my gosh. This is for my boyfriend's sister. It's like a palette. This looks amazing. I'm so jealous. I want it. It's called the Big Ego Brow Pomade. And I got that in medium cool brown because my hair's lighter now, so I don't want something too dark. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's quite pretty, to be honest. I'm going to open it. Oh, I like that. That looks like a good shade for me. I like the jar as well. I got the Shape Tape Concealer because I've actually never tried this before, but I've heard so many things about it and I thought, why not give it a go? So I can't wait to use that. I'm going to finish doing my little unboxing. So I've got another package here. I can't actually remember what this one is. I think it's P.Louise makeup. So yeah, I'm going to open that. I'm always scared I'm going to cut the actual products. I'm really excited. I don't sound excited. Oh, it is. So I got this colour here. This product here, it's a P.Louise and it's in Nitro. So it's like a bluey navy colour. And what else did I get? I got these lashes as well. Oh my gosh, they look so pretty. Wait, it's not focusing. And these are in Deer. You can't really see, but yeah, they look like that. Oh my gosh, these look so cute. So I got these. So it like comes in this little bag here. So I've gotten this colour here. It's just like a jet black. And you can use this for so many makeup looks because it's like completely black. So it's good for like creative makeup looks. And I also got this blue one as well. I can't wait to use these. And this colour here, it's just like a purple colour. This last one, it's just another P.Louise eyeshadow base, and it's like a really light one. It's probably too light, but we'll see how that goes. I got, oh, what's this? How does this even open? Oh, these are the brushes. These brushes look amazing, like, so you can do things really precisely. Like this is the one that I really wanted, because you can do a cut crease really well with this. This is like an eyeliner brush. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really fine. And then this one here is like a eyebrow one maybe. I'm not sure. I'd probably use it for my eyebrows. But I love the packaging and how colourful it is. I always get so excited. Oh, I see. It's a paintbrush. And I also got, oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted, this blender brush. Too lost in my blend. I love that. I love the packaging of this stuff. Oh, these look so colourful. Oh, these are so different. Like, these are colours I actually haven't used before. Like orange, like that's scary. Okay, so I got this one here. It's like a red colour. These are so good, by the way, as well. This is why I brought so many, because I knew that it wouldn't fail me. This is like green, like an orange colour. I can't wait to use that because I never use orange. And I love that one. Did I buy the same one? I don't know. But I'm obsessed with these. So excited to try them. And this is the one I'm most excited about. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This is my hair wig. And it's, I'll link down below what hair wig it is, because honestly I did so much research before I went and brought a hair wig because I knew how expensive they were, and I was like, if I'm paying all this money I would definitely want to get the one that I wanted. I looked at the Freedom Couture ones, they were so expensive, and I actually found that the reviews on YouTube weren't as good as the other ones that the one I brought. I'm going to cut it and then like show you guys what it looks like on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The packaging looks insane. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? This is totally me. Oh my gosh. I love this. I can't actually believe how pretty the packaging is. Like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I can't wait to open it. Like, isn't that stunning? So excited. So you open it up. Oh, this is so pretty. You guys are looking at it before I do. This is honestly insane. I'm so glad I got this one, and I haven't even opened it yet. This is actually insane. I'm so excited. Like, I don't sound excited, but I honestly am. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm going to put it on and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So this is the wig. I don't know how I feel. Like, I love it. Like, it looks so pretty, but I don't know if this colour actually suits me. But look how amazing it is at the back. Like, I'm actually obsessed with it. I feel like a princess with it on. But I just don't know if it suits me, like this much blonde, like, because I'm naturally brown, and it's so soft as well. Like, if you're gonna buy any wig, definitely buy this one because it's so nice. I don't know if I've cut it properly up the top. I probably need to cut it some more, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I got these here. So I got these Adidas shoes. Oh my gosh, I'd wanted these for the longest time. They are so comfortable. I tried them on in the shop and oh my gosh. So they're these ones here. They're the Ultra Boost ones. I love the Adidas Ultra Boost. Like, all of them are so comfortable. Like, I try on other shoes and these ones are just definitely comfortable. Like, I don't even care what they look like as long as they're comfortable. Don't really care. Find that the ugliest ones are actually the most comfortable, funny enough. So yeah, love these shoes. Okay, so I bought all these hair products because I've got blonde hair and I need to start looking after it. Firstly, this is the Fudge Clean Blonde Violet Toning Shampoo, and this stuff is so good. If you have got blonde hair and you want to get rid of all the orange tones in it, this can transform your hair. Honestly, if you're going to all the trouble of dyeing your hair blonde, you may as well purchase a purple shampoo if you're not already, because it honestly makes such a difference. It looks like you've just been to the hair salon after you use it. So I absolutely love this one. I've repurchased it. I've actually got another one sitting in my shower. So yeah, I love this one here. I have got such high expectations for this one. Honestly, I'm ready to transform my hair with this. I'm going to talk about this one here. This is the conditioner, the Fanola Conditioner. I've honestly brought a lot of these products because the reviews that I found showed that this product was actually the best one, this brand. Okay, so I brought these products off Vivo here, and yeah, I definitely recommend this place. I just saw videos of girls talking about it, and also I saw some videos on Instagram, and honestly it looked like your hair was transformed. I'm gonna do a review on these two products because I would be curious to see which one I actually like more now that my hair's blonde. So many people talked about this one. That's what made me purchase it. This one I've tried myself. It's really good, but I'm curious to see whether this one's even better. Next product here, I've got the Fanola spray, and this one, I'm so excited to try this one. I love a spray. I'm all about the spray. I reckon this is gonna be a fucking killer for me, I'll tell you that much. Oh my gosh, this is so big. I had no idea it was gonna be this big. Like, this should last me. So I also got a mask. When you dye your hair blonde, you need a mask. Like, your hair is destroyed. Honestly, I just can't wait to use these products. Like, you guys will see my next video and be like, whoa, your hair looks amazing, I reckon. Like, I've got so much faith in this line. I reckon I can transform it. Honestly, I used to use so many good products and I can definitely tell the difference. And I also got this. I haven't actually tried this one before. Oh my gosh, I love this. I've actually used it quite a lot. My mum uses this as well, and the hairdresser actually recommended this one to me. It smelled so good after she put it on my hair as well. So Lorenzo is an amazing brand. You really pay for what you get with hair products, I find. Like, if you use cheap stuff, like, your hair is gonna get destroyed. And that's the condition mine is actually in at the moment. And I really need to start looking after my hair. So I love this product, and I've used it in the past as well. And I reckon I'll repurchase this one. It's so good. But you clip it to things like this, and then it holds your iPhone in place. I don't know if this helps anyone, but I hope it does, because I want to add value to my channel, obviously. But I also got a new Fitbit strap because mine is far too big and the other one broke. So I love the colour of that, actually. It's so pretty. It's so weird because I'm so used to it being so loose on my hand, and now it's so tight, but I really like it.